Hi children, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is the little red kite. So we will go through the explanation once. Yes, everyone open page number 15. Open page number 15. See, in the page number 15 we have our new lesson, that is second lesson, the little red kite. Little means small in size. Red kite. I know you all know very well about the kites. See now here. Look at this picture in the page number 15. What can you understand from this picture? See, there are so many boys. How many? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 boys and 1 girl. What are they doing? They are flying kites. Yes or no? See, look at the kites. One is yellow color kite, pink, orange, green, and another one pink color kite. See here, they are flying the kites, very enjoying they are. See, regarding this, what are kites, who they were invented, first we are going to see. See, kites were first invented in China. You know China, right children? Yes, nowadays China became very popular, so all of you maybe heard about the name of the China. See, kites were first invented in China. See, first kites are invented by the Chinese people. In the China only first we got the kites. Today people all over the world enjoying flying kites. Look at this picture. Which kite do you like the best? Discuss in class. See here. Here they have given so many kites. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they have given you the 5 kites, right? In these 5 kites, which kite you like the best, you have to discuss it in our class. Okay, now turn the page, open page number 16. Open page number 16. See how colorful the paper is looking. See, here also the children are flying the kites, and here it is our little red kite. Something happened to it, so we have to look after it. What happened to our little red kite? See, we can learn something only if we try. Read how the little red kite learned to fly. See, yes or no children? If you are trying only, you can learn something in your life. Yes or no? Suppose when you are as a kid, you don't know alphabets. What you will do? You will try to learn. Then only you will get the alphabets. In the same way, little red kite also want to learn how to fly. So in this lesson, how the little red kite tried to fly, we will look after. See, Hari looked up at the sky. It was a lovely day. The tall trees were swaying slowly in the breeze. See here, Hari. In our lesson, the boy name is, see here, one boy is there now. This boy name is, what is his name? His name is Hari. What is the boy name? Hari. What is the boy name? Hari. See now. What is Hari doing? Hari is in his house. He suddenly looked up and at the sky. Now he started thinking, wow, it is a very lovely day. The tall trees are swaying, means nicely they are moving in the air slowly and happily. The clouds were high in the blue sky. Clouds are not there. Clouds are so much high in the blue sky. It looked as though someone had taken bits of cotton wool and stuck them up in the sky. Now what is the boy is thinking? The sky is like someone took some cotton balls. You know cotton and wool, right children? You have in your science. We are wearing the cotton clothes and woolen clothes, right? Now the boy started thinking that the sky is looking like a cotton wool. Someone took that cotton balls and stuck up in the sky like that. The clouds are looking so much nice. It was a perfect day for flying kites. Now the boy started thinking, yes, the climate is so nice and it is a perfect day for me for flying the kites. But Hari's little red kite didn't seem to think so. What happened? Hari is thinking that it is a perfect day for the flying the kites. But the little red kite is not thinking it that way. Why? Why it is not thinking it that way? We will see in our lesson. When Minnie threw the kite up, it skipped a little and then dragged on the grass. It didn't rise up at all. Yes or no, children? See, whenever you want to fly a kite, first you will hold the kite in your hand and someone will fly it in the sky. Yes or no? Like that only. See here, this pink color dress girl name is known as Minnie. What is her name? What is her name, Nana? What is her name? Minnie. Okay. Minnie is Hari's sister. Who is Minnie? Minnie is Hari's sister. What happened? Minnie took the kite in her hand and she jumped and threw up the kite in the sky. What happened? But little red kite, it does not want to fly. So it just flew down on the grass. See what happened next. Hari's brother Ravi had a big green and yellow kite. Hari have another brother. See here, where can you find the big green and yellow kite? Yes, it is here. Hari's brother is having a what kite? Big green and yellow color kite. See here, this is the kite. His friend threw it up at once. It flew into the sky. What happened? Hari's brother came along with his friends. So what they did? They also hold the kite in their hands and they lifted the kite up into the sky. By the first time only, the kite started flying in the sky. But the little red kite is not flying. It does not want to fly in the sky. So it dragged and fell on the grass. What happened now? Wow, come on, little red kite, said Hari. Hari got upset. Come on, please, little red kite, please, please, fly in the sky. Fly, fly, do fly into the sky. You will have fun. Hari is shouting, please, 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 fly in the sky. It will be so much fun. Trust me, please, fly in the sky. Hari started asking whom? Little red kite. But the little kite just trembled a little and lay down quietly on the ground. What happened? By listening these words, this little red kite it is so much tensed. It don't know what to do. Just shook a little bit. And again fall on the ground. Oh, I can't do it, thought the little kite. The little kite is trying. It is trying so hard to fly in the sky. But it is not able to do it. So what it is saying? Oh, I can't do it. I can't fly in the sky. The little kite is thinking in that way. I'm so afraid. I might fall on a sharp branch or a cruel thorn. I could get hurt. Now see, what is the reason? Now we got the reason. Why the little red kite is so much scared? Because it is so much afraid. Why? It is thinking that, oh my God, if I fall on any branch or a very cruel thorn means mullamma. Okay, cruel thorn, what will happen? Oh my God, what will happen? It could hurt me. Yes or no? Mullu meed padthe what will happen? The kite will tear. Okay, so that is the reason the little kite is so much scared for flying in the sky. Come on, little kite, don't be afraid, said Hari. Hari understood the little red kite's problem. So he is telling again, come on, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. I will take care of you. I will fly you nicely in the sky. Please, don't afraid. Come, like that. Hari is asking the little red kite. Now Minnie is saying, maybe the little kite is afraid of these bushes and trees. Let's go to the middle of the park. Minnie also understood now the little kite's problem. So she told that to his brother Hari that, come on brother, we will go to the middle of the park. There we don't have so many trees and these bushes. Okay, then the little red kite will fly happily in the sky. Come on, we will go to the middle of the ground. Okay, move to the page number 17. Yes, see in this page the boy and the girl are in the middle of the ground. Now see, happily the little red kite is flying. Now listen. So the two children took the kite to the middle of the park, which was an open and grassy space. What happened? Now see, Hari and Minnie both took the kite to the middle of the ground. Now what happened? See here, surrounding there is no trees. Here, surrounding there is no trees. Yes or no? Yes, there is no trees. So now the little red kite is not afraid. And see, happily it is flying in the sky. There were no bushes or trees around. Now you must try hard when I throw up, Minnie told the kite. Now Minnie held the kite in her hands and she threw it in the sky. Now Minnie is telling to the kite, you have to try very hard. You have to fly in the sky. Please, please. Now you have to try compulsory very hard. Who is telling these words? Minnie to the red kite. Next, Minnie ran fast with the little red kite and Hari held the string firmly. String means daram. For flying the kite, you should want one thread in your hand, no? See? You want? No. See, this is the string. What is it? It is the string. Now what the Minnie did? Minnie hold the kite in her hand. Running. She went very fast and threw the little red kite up in the sky. And what Hari did? Hari hold this string very tightly in his hand. See. Then Minnie jumped up and threw the kite as high as she could. Run nicely, she jumped up into the air and threw the kite as high as she could. The kite felt a little stir in its tail. What happened? Now the kite, it had to fly in the sky. But what happened? Suddenly, just it down of the sea here, this part is there, no? This is the kite's tail. Here, little bit, it slightly went up into the air very happily. The kite felt a little stir in its tail. It tried really very hard. The kite tried very hard to fly in the sky. It gave a big push when it felt a breeze. Suddenly, nice wind came across the little red kite. What it did? Wow, what a wind! Come on, I have to fly like that. It went on and went up into the sky. Who? Little red kite. Now, the breeze soon whooshed it up. Whooshed means took very fastly into the sky. The little red kite felt very excited. By going up into the air, the red kite is so much happy. Excited, very happy. Wow, it is so nice for flying in the sky. Like that it felt. Who felt it? Little red kite is very happy. Oh, I'm flying, sang the little red kite as it pulled up at the string. Now the kite is so much happy. It is shouting, oh, I'm flying, I'm so much happy. Like that, little red kite is flying in the sky. It could see the park below grow smaller and smaller. After a while, Minnie and Hari were little dots at the end of the string. What happened? This little red kite is going into the sky. So much high it is going on. What happened? From there, suppose Nana, if you are on the ground means how can you see? You can see the human beings in the same size. But when you are going up of the building means small insects like we can see, no? Same in the same manner. Now the little kite can see these all boys and the park very small in size. See now. Now the little kite was flying near the other kites. Yes or no? See, the little kite went very up in the sky and it is nicely flying with the remaining two kites. Welcome little one, said a kind blue kite. See here, where is the blue kite? Yes, in our picture it is not there, but so many kites are there, Nana. In that so many kites, one blue kite nicely smiled and told to the red kite, welcome little one, come, we will fly happily. It invited the red kite into the sky. The little kite waved its tail as it sailed away. When it is going up into the air, its tail floated like this. Yes or no, children? It will move, no? The tail will move up and down in the sky. It loved the blue sky. It loved sailing in the breeze. It loved looking at the clouds that were still far above. Now, the little kite is so much happy. It started thinking that it loved the blue sky. Yes or no? Sky is in which color, children? Blue color. So it loved the blue sky and it loved the sailing, means the wind that is moving so much fast and nice sounds. It is so much happy and it is so much happy that by looking at the clouds in the sky. Ah, you made it after all, said Ravi's green and yellow kite as it came close. Now see, the name of the Hari's brother is Ravi. Okay, his name is Ravi. Now Ravi's kite is in which color? Yellow and green. When the little kite came near to this yellow kite, it is telling, oh, after all, very good. You done very well to come into the sky. You have done very well, very good, like that. The yellow kite started praising the red kite. Look out for that huge purple monster. It could hurt you. Now, this green and yellow color is telling that, look at that purple kite. It is very big, huge, very big kite. Hold, or else it will touch you and it can hurt you. Be far away from the purple monster. However, the little red kite just whooshed up and down as it flew away. It was not afraid anymore. It was enjoying itself very much. What happened? Now, the little red kite is not worried, no tension, nothing. It is so much happy. Happily, it is flying in the sky, happily enjoying the wind. And at last, what it did, children? At last, what happened in our lesson? The little red kite, it is success. It got the success for flying in the sky.